I at least find it hard to believe that, say, next week, Jesus Christ is suddenly going to return and the world is going to come to an end. Uh, I know a lot of Christians are just on the edge of their chairs for the return of Christ. For me,
Right.
I just find that almost impossible to believe. But what I came to realize is that there is such a thing as physical eschatology. Cosmology includes not only cosmogony, the origin of the universe, but eschatology, the destiny of the universe. And on some models of physical eschatology, if the universe is hung up in a false vacuum state, then at any second, unpredictably, it could tunnel into a true vacuum state, resulting in a complete transformation of nature. All of the laws of nature would be changed. This would sweep across the universe faster than the speed of light so that we wouldn't have any inkling or anticipation of what was happening. It could come like a thief in the night. So in physical eschatology itself, we also have this imminent possibility of the end of the world as we know it. And so if scientists can believe in such a thing, then surely as a Christian who believes that Jesus is risen and ascended to the right hand of the Father, I can also believe in the possibility of an imminent return of Christ.